Good evening and welcome to my end of the week recap video here for Apple and plan ahead for next week. First of all, I was able to get into these 15 March 170 calls here at 170 on Wednesday. I will be looking to add into these. My initial plan was to take some June 175 calls on the break above this flag and close above the 8 EMA. Missed the trigger here and I didn't want to chase as they had already moved up pretty significantly from the open there on Wednesday. So I'm sticking with these 170s for now. And onto the trade plan I'm looking for going into next week. Basically, I'm going to look for a move above that flag to cause a move to break above here. So I will look to add 170s if I knew how to type. Add 170s on a break above that flag. Also, I'll be looking to treat this as a support entry. To add some more 170s here. Looking like we've created a new, at least near-term uptrend. And as long as this holds, this 8 EMA will hold. It'll open up a little bit higher on Tuesday, probably up here around 155-ish area for a nice little pullback. If there is no pullback, again, I'm looking to buy this flag breakout for a push over this 158. Earnings worth mentioning is on January 29th, which is at the end of the month, and these being the March calls, I should have plenty of time after that in case there's a big pop. It's my belief that Buffett is buying Apple down here. I mean, there's no reason he wouldn't be. If he liked the business up here in the 180s when he was buying, surely he likes it down here in the 150s and 140s for now. So right now, my target near term is going to be the 50 SMA up here at 169.60, which will come down a little bit more on Tuesday, and hopefully it's going to start flattening out and get a nice little pop above it before we do retrace some of this move back down. Right now it's looking very bullish, and again, my assumption is somebody with very, very deep pockets is buying down here. So we'll see what happens going forward into next week. It's also worth mentioning a lot of the news that's coming out between the US and China is turning the markets bullish, or at least there's bullish reactions to that news. So keep that in mind if you're trading from the short side. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Have a good weekend and good luck.